Hey everyone! Tired of hair loss and thinning hair? Let's change that with lukewarm ceramide and vitamin shampoo. Let's see the magic in 30 days. Week 1. I started with a little hope and a little doubt. It felt refreshing as soon as I applied the shampoo, and the fragrance was great too. My scalp felt less itchy, and my hair felt clean. Week 2. I started noticing less hair fall in the shower. My hair felt thicker and easier to manage. My friends even complimented the shine of my hair. Week 3. My dandruff almost disappeared and my hair looked thicker. I was surprised to see the results so quickly. Week 4. Thinning hair. What thinning hair? My hair felt strong and healthy, and I could even see new hair growth. This shampoo is a real game changer. Try lukewarm ceramide and vitamin shampoo and see the change for yourself.